Now, to announce the Supreme Winner is Minister of Māori Affairs, Dr. Pita Sharples. Thank you so much for joining us. Kia ora. How important is it for Māori? I mean, we have such a culture of whakamā. How important is it for us to celebrate our successes?
Because of that whakamā thing, it's so important that we do recognise each other and shout out our achievements. And I think Waitangi Day is a good day to do it. Just come back from there and there's a lot of happiness up there and people are celebrating each other. It's great.
Ka pai. Now, you are hosting the Māori Nation dinner tonight. What do you think is the condition of the Māori Nation in tēnei wā?
I think it's really healthy. I think we're learning to unite better and we're learning to take our opportunities and go forward. And I think we've got a ways to go in education. That's a key thing for us at the moment. But what is good is people working together.
We do have to wrap very quickly. We've got to ask you, though, leadership issues, when will we see some resolution here? Very quickly.
I am the leader.
For now?
I am the leader.
In March, we might get some clarification on that.
The committee's looking through things,
OK. We do have to move on to the announcement of the Supreme Winner, and if I could get you to do that now.
Certainly. And the winner of the Toa Whakaihuwaka Māori of the year 2012 is in this envelope. Was in the envelope. Dr. Lance O'Sullivan.
Ka nui te mihi, ka nui te mihi. Now, Dr. Lance O'Sullivan, you are the recipient of the Māori of the Year 2012 award. Your name will be etched alongside last year's winner, Piri Weepu. How does it feel?
Oh, geez, I think I would have liked to have won a World Cup, but you know, this is really humbling. It's serious. It is. You know, we do what we do, and the many people that have been nominated this year and the last year's Māori of the Year awards do it because of our passion for our people. We don't do it for recognition, and but to be recognised today with this is special. But you know, acknowledging all those that have brought me here today is also important.
Oh, OK. And Minister, I've got to bring you back in here and ask you. You'd be familiar, of course, with Dr. O'Sullivan's work. Is there anything more that you could do to support his initiatives?
I think he's sort of leading us, really. We're taking advantage of his leadership and what he's doing in the community. Not just having a practice, but spreading it out across and the community. It's just developing good attitudes.
Indeed, indeed. And Dr. Lance O'Sullivan, you do just such magnificent work, and we're so proud to have you here and receiving this award with us today.